Hello guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to blur image for free. Are you ready? So let's get started. If you're new here, please subscribe my channel, and yeah, let's get started. Open your browser and then type pintools.com. Okay, this is the official website where you can blur image. On the left side, choose image. Okay, and here we have an option. We have to choose that. Here, conserve photos, blur pixel, and click on that. Here you can choose your file, click on that, and upload your image which you want to blur. I have this image and I am going to blur a specific area, and I don't want to show other people. That's why how you can blur image. And this is the image I'm going to blur. As you can see, these tools, where you want to blur, you have to move this. I'm going to blur this area, the name of my channel and the logo. I'm going to blur that, as you can see, and you can choose any area you want, doesn't matter. And I'm going to blur here. So yeah, it's finished, and here you can choose rectangle or ellipse. I'm going to choose rectangle, and method blur. Okay, select that, and here you can make the radius bigger or smaller. I'm going to make 26, for example. And now it's finished. Just click on sensor. As you can see, the name of my channel and the logo is blur, and nobody can read that. That's how you can blur any images. Yeah, that's it guys. I hope. Oh, I'm going to show you how you can download that. It's now it's blurred and it's finished, and here you can click on PNG or JPG with any extension. I'm going to download with PNG. Click on that, allow. As you can see, the images are downloaded. Let's see the result, how it looks like. As you can see, the name of my channel and the logo is blurred. Congratulations, and thank you so much for watching. And if you have any question, drop them in the comment section and I will be happy to help you out with that.